The iron bush on the right side of the machine body is attached to the main shaft, and there is an eccentric on the left side of the main shaft. The connecting link that drives the needle bar is attached to the eccentric on the main shaft. Really, it is a bearing is ball-less. The lower part that it is attached to is attached in the form of a lid with 2 screws. The upper end of the connecting rod is also attached in the form of a lid with 2 screws. Next, the connecting rod is connected to the arm that drives the needle bar. Another special part used here, bearing is ball-less, is the U-guard. The ball-less bearing can move left and right when in operation, and the U-guard is installed here to prevent that unnecessary movement. If this U-guard wears out or the screw becomes loose, the machine may not sew and the machine may become noisy. There is also a single ball boring on the top of the connecting rod. The bearing cap with 2 screws can be seen at the top. This bearing ball has a small shaft on one side, and that shaft is what attaches to the needle bar arm. There are 2 screws to secure the bearing shaft to the needle bar arm. The amount by which the needle bar moves up and down can be adjusted by adjusting the shaft of the bearing ball where it attaches to the needle bar arm. This adjustment can stop the needle bar arm from hitting the machine body. The needle bar can be adjusted up and down with the screw that attaches the needle bar to the needle bar arm.